Welcome back to Auto Speed's Vibes. Today, we're diving into something that sounds almost too luxurious to be true, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. Yes, the world's most iconic luxury car brand has officially entered the RV scene, and the result is unlike anything we've ever seen on wheels. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a masterpiece of engineering, design, and comfort that turns every road trip into a five-star experience. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome commands attention. Built on an elongated, custom-engineered chassis, it stretches over 35 feet in length with flawless proportions and the signature Rolls-Royce silhouette. The front end features the iconic Pantheon grille, elegantly framed by laser-cut crystal LED headlights, while the Spirit of Ecstasy stands proudly above, finished in polished platinum. The exterior is customizable with a wide range of two-tone paint finishes, pinstripes hand-painted by master artisans, and retractable awnings designed to match the body's contours perfectly. Step inside, and you're no longer in an RV, you're in a private luxury suite on wheels. The interior is handcrafted with the finest materials imaginable: buttery soft leather, sustainably sourced rare wood veneers, brushed aluminum, and deep pile lambswool carpets. The lounge area feels more like a private jet, featuring motorized captain chairs, a hidden 65-inch OLED TV, and Rolls-Royce's signature starlight ceiling, now spanning the entire living area. Ambient lighting and climate control are fully customizable through a crystal touchscreen interface. The kitchen area is nothing short of stunning. Designed with input from world-class chefs, it includes seamless marble countertops, high-end Miele appliances, a full-size fridge, convection oven, and even a temperature-controlled wine cooler. Cooking on the road has never felt so elite. Behind a privacy divider sits the master bedroom, which features a king-size bed with cashmere linens, panoramic smart glass windows, and integrated aromatherapy. The adjacent bathroom includes a rainfall shower with mood lighting, heated stone floors, and a vanity crafted from onyx and brushed gold. Performance-wise, this motorhome doesn't just glide, it floats. Powered by a re-engineered twin-turbocharged V12 engine, combined with a cutting-edge hybrid assist system, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome delivers effortless power and whisper-quiet cruising. The Magic Carpet Ride suspension has been adapted for RV dynamics, making even the longest drives feel like a serene glide over silk. Onboard AI handles route optimization, autonomous parking, voice-activated systems, and even concierge services that can book hotels, dinner reservations, or schedule maintenance. Only 25 of these will be built worldwide, each tailored to its owner's exact desires. With a starting price of over $3 million, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome isn't just the most luxurious RV ever made, it's a rolling statement of ultimate status and refinement. Thanks for watching Auto Speed's Vibes. If you're amazed by this incredible creation as much as we are, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more mind-blowing automotive content. Until next time, keep chasing the drive of your dreams.